So just a brief introduction of the regular expression. Regular expression is very useful and I can say it's mandatory for the text processing. If you want to search any data or any pattern, especially based on the patterns method, so you have to use regular expression. Regular expression widely used in all programming languages like Java, Python, even you can use in Java script, Perl, C. So regular expressions, basically it's based on formal language and automata theory. So what is in regular expression? Regular expression basically search a pattern and what it's up to you what is what you provide for the your text processing. So for example, I give you an example. Suppose you want to search cat and dog in the in the whole document, where is a cat and where is a dog. So it's a base, you can search via the regular expression. Okay, regular expression in short form, we call regex. So before going to detail and what is the syntax and what is the operator, so I give you a small example. Mm, just wait. If I am very, suppose if you feel okay it's very fast, so just let me know. Okay. Okay, now we have some examples, some sentences, and we want to search where in the text file or in the document we have what type of words available. Suppose if we want to search plant. So regular expression, basically, I'm using regex tester. So it is automatically has some internal function like G is a global and slash. If you put any words here, so it will automatically internally search your pattern, your words. So plant, if when we give a plant word, so it reflects its highlight where is the plant. So we find, okay, in the in the text file we have one word in plant, and what is the line number, between 19 to 23 range. So don't worry about. Okay, now I'm going to start. So basically this is the example from is the problem? Yeah. Okay. Another thing, regular expression you can use even in Excel, and if you are using Unix or Linux, so you can use via the grep set command or awk method. And if you use Ubuntu, so you can use regular expression in the gedit text editor, yeah, or vim editor. So now, in the regular expression, we have primarily three operators: disjunction, grouping, and quantification. So what is the disjunction? Disjunction is pipe. It reflects, for example, if you want to search either cat or dog. Uh, so if in the text you have you don't know mm, cat is available in the text file or not, so you can put only both words or triple words, any type of matching, like cats. Then pipe is alternation basically. Okay, either cat or dogs, and so you can find easily where is a cat and where is a dog. And grouping, for example, like guppies or another example, babies. Baby or babies, so we can use grouping method, grouping operator. How we can use this operator? So basically we will give small bracket, and in between small bracket we will use pipe. So for example, guppies, in the guppy, either y or ies word has in the text file, so it will automatically search. And the quantification, basically number of how much they have for example, okay, what is the question mark? Question mark indicates optionality, that there is a zero or one of the previous expression. And star denotes basically preceding character or set of characters that zero or more. If suppose if you use ma, I guess everyone is okay. Here is a draw. If we want to find how many words starts with ma, so basically we what we do, ma is dot star, so it will automatically search all the words which matches with which match with ma, starts with ma. So that's the reason we use star with the preceding characters. And plus denotes at least one time or more. For example, JNU plus AC. If you JNU plus AC use, we use JNU plus AC or JNU AC dot plus. So it will automatically extract all the words JNU ACCC or JNU AC preceding all the characters. Okay. Now, quick references. What is the symbols in the on the regular expression denotes? So, anchor denotes beginning of a line, beginning of a character, basically beginning of a line. And dollar denotes end of the line. And dots for any character, as I am we shown. I already uh, ma dot. So card is it's a wild card. If you want to match any characters, you just put dot. And slash s denotes for white space. White space means single space. And capital S. Okay, another thing I want to add here: regular expression is very case sensitive. So don't use a small character and capital symbols for if you did any mistake in the uh, ex- syntax. So your output is very different. For example, if you use small slash s, so it extract white space, while if you use small capital S, so it matches any non-white space character. Similarly, star repeats a character zero or more times. And another thing is available. Okay, star and question mark. Is it visible? No. Okay. Mm. Repeats a character zero or more times, and especially non-greedy format, and repeats a character X. So don't worry, I will show you example. And another is symbols you can use, like plus and question mark. Plus and question mark denotes for represent basically a character, uh, single character in the listed sets. So how to use this example, I will show you basically. And slash d represent for digit, capital slash d represent for non-digit, and slash w is for the word character, um, except 09 and word character, yeah. And if you use non-word character, so 0 to 9 to z words are non-character. 0 to 9 not word character. So and slash t is a tab. Okay, if you have any confusion at this point, you can ask. uh, so then we will move other topic. Yeah. Any question in the chat?
Sir, can you please go one slide back?
Okay, this one.
No, where the characters were given.
Okay, quick reference.
Yes, yes.
Mhm.
After this slide.
Mhm.
Yes. So after in slash d is equals to non-digit, it's written caret 09. So
Okay,
if we
I
put
did
caret,
this
yeah, please
just for a
explain that.
start symbol. Basically, non-digit. If you use capitals D, so it will extract only non-digit character. Give you example here. It's very problematic. Mm. Okay, so this is visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so in the given text, we have only three digit, four digit basically, 287 and 4. So when we use this slash capital D, so regular expression search all the text, all the character except digit. Okay, and if you use small d, so what happened? Yes, so it extract only digit characters, not the text character, alphabetic character, not extracting all alphabetic character.
Atul, I'm so sorry I accidentally muted you. Can you? Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So, okay, I again repeat slash d. Okay, for example, in the text, we have some lots of alphabetic characters, and digit also. So when we use slash small d, so it a regular expression extracts only digit, means 0 to 9 digit, 2874 as we see. And if we use capital D, then it will extract only all the alphabetic character except non-digit. So any confusion? I hope.
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Okay, great.
Acha, I have a
Yes.
question. So I think if you want to discuss it later, you can do that also. So
Mhm.
will this these special regular expressions d slash d, also w slash w, will this also work with non-Roman characters? So for example, will this also match say Hindi digits, so the ones written in the Devanagari script? So not.
Yes, actually, I used this slash d and slash in small d for the recent place. I don't remember where, and it works. So basically, so I'm not sure, but okay, let's give me. It's very Hindi, na? Yes. So no, it will not work.
Okay, so it will take all the other numbers as non-digit.
Arabic number, basically Roman and Arabic. Mm.
Huh. Okay, okay.
Okay, so it means okay, good. Thank you for this question and highlighting this point. And another example, let's try. So slash s. So when we use slash s, it automatically extract regular expression extract all the white space. So as we see here, blue color. So here is a white space, and if we give as a tab, I don't think so. It will. It is a tab or not. Let me check. Hmm. Yes. And when we give a space as a tab separated, then we can extract, we can provide, use in slash t for the extracting of tabs space. And another thing, if we use capital S, So it will show all the character except space, white space. Now we are going to, and if I don't know how many people use Windows and how many are using Linux. So if you are using Windows, so you can also use regular expression in the Notepad++, not simple Notepad editor, Notepad++. So I give you another example in the text editor, just because it is not visible fully. So if we want to extract, if we want to extract how many lines starts with S, so basically we put anchor caret before the in the initial positions, and your word like S, and then so as we see, only one line displays sustainable use of plant protection is a starts with is S character, and it highlights all the sentences fully, not only partial sentence. And another thing interesting, like, okay, if we want to see what is the word, PPS and PPE. Okay, if we want to search EU slash PPS, so it only reflects PPS and EU words, not other words.
Atul,
And yeah,
we can only see your browser
oh, okay, but why?
because I think you will need to reshare that.
Okay, if anytime you face any problem, just ping me or let me know, because I don't know it is always visible or not. So,
Yeah.
yes. Okay, again I repeat. So if we want to extract how many sentences, yeah, how many lines starts with S character or A character, so what we so basically we have to put character anchor caret and S
Atul,
character. Sorry.
sorry, I think you'll have to share your whole screen. This is not because we cannot see the box where you are typing, the search box. We can only see the document.
Okay, so it's interesting problem. It's
It's a Zoom problem.
I don't know, because it's very it is possible. Let's try if it works. This browser is visible or not?
No, now we are seeing the gedit document.
Only. Oh,
Mm.
oh. Mm, basic. Can we do all whole screen? Is it possible in the Zoom?
You can select. Uh,
It is
let,
available in the advanced option or basic?
okay, let me. No, basic, the first option, desktop one. It's showing desktop one in my.
Okay, okay. Then I hope now it
Okay,
will
yes,
work.
now we could. Yes, now we could see everything.
Okay, great. So, okay, I lost where I was. So, yeah, now as we see, cat angle start for the anchor character and another option we give a star. So, for example, what is the anchor character, anchor caret, and what is the pipe, and what it does. So basically, anchor character is represent starting position, and other is a s denotes your alphabetic characters, which lines starts with s alphabet, and dot is a wild character, any character after that, and star, it's star preceding basically unlimited type of line, character, and pipe denotes optionality, and I like s character or a character. So if we delete this one, and so it will show only sustainable first line. If we add, so it shows all first, second, and fifth, sixth lines. So I hope clear. It is
Hello,
clear.
hello, sir.
Yes. Mhm.
If what about the uppercase and lowercase? Whether it find all the lowercase as well as the uppercase of S and as well as T?
Yes, it
Is
is
the case sensitive
possible.
or not case sensitive?
Case sensitive. I already told you it's a very case sensitive.
Okay.
For example, I in sixth line I changed um, a character in first when so okay, currently it's a capital A, right? And we put here is capital A, but okay, for finding the text, it's not case sensitive. But if you provide your patterns, regular expression patterns, so it's case sensitive.
If you're applying the program that is case sensitive.
Yes,
Okay.
but in your if you want to search your text smaller and capital character, so you have to specify.
Atul, I think, yeah, it is case sensitive. Here also you can make it case sensitive if you tick on match case.
Yes.
Gedit by default makes it non-case sensitive, but you
No,
can,
no. Actually, I
no, within bracket it will not work.
mm, just wait. It's different methods. Oh, just I guess I did wrong that one. Gedit by default. Okay. If it is yes, gedit by default do. Ritesh is right. So Okay, and now another option like we want to, if you pro okay, so basically you have to also explore what is the symbols and any other things like remaining. Yeah. So if we
Sir,
want, yes,
no, sorry, I had a question, but please finish this first then.
okay. If we want to search only alphabetic character, which line we have alphabetic character. So, for example, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and start. So as we see when we give a pattern like character starts with anchor character and with alphabetic character, uh, so it automatically extract only those line they have alphabetic character, but it will not show any digit character. So, for example, in the 10th line, we don't have, but if we provide 0 to 9, so it automatically include. And another thing, like if we want to match end symbols, like okay, if we want to extract which line ends with risks words, so basically you have to provide your words or character or another symbols, and after that you put dollar symbol. So regular expression extract your words based on your patterns. Anything else? I guess words question mark and W non-word character. Yes. Okay. And we can use anything else. Okay. So now we have to move. Okay, for online, if you want to basically in today's class, I will we will assign we will give you some assignment. First assignment will be for first assignment is for uh, making a pattern and regular expression patterns based on the shared document. And so you have to for cross checking your patterns you can use online regextester.com or regex101 any websites. So don't worry, this I guess Ritesh, can you share this um, slides with participants? Is it possible for us? Ritesh or Syam, anyone,
Yeah,
any
just
of
give me a second. So
you can share folder basically, or you can because in the text file we have.
I'm sharing the link to this folder
Yes.
in the chat, and then we'll also email it.
And now I go to start another thing to show is okay, because we are linguists, so our most of the work, how to find text and words, POS tags or other information. So I provide how to extract your words with specific POS tags and different patterns. So, for example, I use star character and yes. So we want to extract in the any files, like because I have universal dependency annotated data, so just I am using that file. So if we want to see in how many aux is available and where aux category is available in the file, so because the file is separated by separated with tab, so what I did here, I put star dot character doesn't matter what is your character here, or other options. So it will automatically extract all the character, match all the character, and find aux word, which was separated by the tab method. So as you see here, it highlighted line is only until the aux word, not from it doesn't go in the VM or other options. If you want to see only aux words or other options like nine, yeah, or particle, so you can again see this. You can use, for example, how many particles available. So I hope so it's clear. If any confusion, and anything doubt, any doubt?
Sir,
Yes,
Inakshi wanted to know about uh, that greed.
I wanted to know what non-greedy means. If you could explain that
Yeah.
again. But
okay.
thank you.
I will explain. And is collab in the chat? Everyone mentioned collab.
Hello,
Yes.
sir. This is if, for example, this is separated by line. If you are searching that slash dot star slash t, for example, some character we are giving in the, if it is in the paragraph, how it will search, sir?
Sorry, can you repeat your question
No, no,
again?
no. You have right now you have informed about star slash t for searching. The searching the particular specified pattern. If you want to search, this is not a paragraph. This is an annotated corpus. What about the
Yes.
search? What about the searching in the normal text? Unannotated corpus.
Unannotated corpus,
Yes,
right?
yes, unannotated corpus.
Mm-hmm.
You said that
Okay.
after finding that pattern, it starts stopping searching in the same line. What about in the unannotated corpus thing?
So I already gave an example like how to extract, for example, okay. Mm,
So Atul, I think I'll answer that question. He's
Okay.
not
okay.
asking. His question is that if it is unannotated, how will
Mhm.
you know the particle in that? You
No, no, no,
cannot.
no, 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 no. I'm not now. I'm not having that question. If it, for example, that is the pattern. This may be ART. This may be the something that pattern. I'm
Yeah.
asking that he said that it is an annotated corpus. He said that after finding the particular pattern in the line, it stops highlighting that. For
Yes.
example, I'm having the same thing is repeated in the same line more than once, whether it will be the highlight the thing or it won't highlight the thing,
It will
because
highlight
it
everywhere.
will separated by tab. I think slash t means tab. I think is correct. Dot slash t.
Yeah, if it's not slash t, then you use a different pattern. So
Yeah.
whatever pattern you want to search, you could search for that pattern. The same pattern will not match everywhere. Whether it doesn't matter
No,
whether
no, no,
it's
no,
annotated
no,
or
no, no,
not.
no, 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 no. What he said is once it find the particular pattern, it won't highlight it. I'm asking that one for whether it is highlight the first occurrence or it will highlight all the occurrences.
It will highlight all the occurrences.
Okay.
Okay. So greedy and non-greedy. Another, if anyone has another question, so ask. Otherwise, I will explain greedy and non-greedy. Mm. Okay. So greedy basically matches all the repetition, and non-greedy greedy represent to all the matching your patterns, repetitions basically, and non-greedy represent to non-repetition or non few repetitions. Okay.
So how do they decide what is a few repetitions? I mean, is it unique? Is it maybe one, or how is it?
It's a few means okay. If you want to match only one or two character or basically. So if you want to be like example, if you want to search PLA plant only one character, so it's a you can use one character. Not then you will not use star or plus symbols. Okay, then it's a non-greedy format.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, okay. So I hope so because I we will assign some. Um, if you have any question, you can ask now. Otherwise, maybe and then we will discuss in lab session also. And okay, let's move to regex. How to use regex in Python. Okay, if we want to use regular expression in Python, so we must import RE um, functions, RE function, basically, like for example, import RE. When you import RE word here, when you use basically, then library, RE library, then you can able to find your patterns, or you can use regex regular expression. For example, when we I did import RE library import, and then we use a string as the rain in Spain, and what we did here, um, I did x is equal to re dot find all. Re is a library name, so find all, it's a function. So, and what is the pattern, what is the word AI? So basically, and then you put your variable name. So what is this? And then when you click on, when you print, so it automatically extract AI rain, AI and Spain Spain words. So it
But
will
here we are
match.
printing only the text. I think it will print the rain in the Spain.
Yeah, but it will highlight that.
Okay.
Hmm. Because we are not splitting specific patterns.
Okay.
If you want to split, if you want to extract only matched words, so you can use /w and other option, other pattern. So now function, how many option or function available in the regular expression? Basically, re.findall. Re.findall function returns a list containing all matches, and re.split returns a list where the string has been split at each match. Like I am sure in previous class you have already you already explained split method and find. I don't know find all was explained or not, but split method is already introduced. And resubstitution or resubs option, it basically replaces one or many matches with a string. And re.search is a return a match object if there is a match anywhere in the string. But re.search has a other optional other option, other object method. So we will I will show you some example, but if we want we can discuss in lab session also. So for example, re.findall, how to use re.findall function. We import re function, import re library, and then again text. And another example, like we just received $10.00 for cookies. So what we did, re.findall, and other option is like slashes, slash or $/$ with character is what is the 0 to 9. 0 to 9 represent only the digit, not we basically we find digit characters, not the alphabetic characters. And star dot represent extra characters, basically 0 to 9 preceding greedy options. And repetitive, basically this is the greedy options. And plus again repetitive, doesn't matter how many words, how many characters available. Incre increment types, like okay, plus denotes increment. So and then we use, okay, uh, here one mistake, it should be txt, variable name is txt. And then printf txt. Typo error. So it when we print, so it display $10 only. Okay. And now re.split function, how to use re.split. So basically, if we have text in the string format, txt variable have data can be downloaded and reused for free. Okay, if we see here, if we see free and both space, it's a free and both. In between, I used tab option for the spacing. So when we want to split your string with the tab option, so re.split and give your pattern. So /t automatically when where re.split find t/t, basically tab separate space, automatically split in two sentence. And Another option, like if you want to split based on words, matched words, so use give your give your desired words. So I give here and option, so it will split. Data can be downloaded and reused for free, both for commercial is a one sentence, and another is a non-commercial and non-commercial purposes. This non-commercial purposes is a second splitted sentence. Now re.subs option function. So as we see, slash t basically in that displays free and both. Between free and both we have tabs separated. So what we want to basically, we want to replace tabs separated space to single space, white space. So what we can do, we just put here slash t and slash s between the comma, so inverted comma, and then it will automatically replace your given patterns. And re.search, for example, in this string item, we don't have Europe words. So we want to search in the text file or in the string, we have Europe words or not. So we can use re.search function and put your desired words. So basically print txt give you none options, and will show none results because we don't have Europe words in the string format, in the value in the string. So that's it. If you have any question, I know maybe it's very confusing, but you will, when you will try in lab session, so you can, we can discuss more.
Sir, can you go the previous slide?
Yeah.
Only we are separating. It is whether what's the thing that this according to the tab separated thing, it separate one thing. What is slash s?
Slash is okay. Slash is a white space. Basically, it replaces. And first, it finds it search where is a tab
Tab.
separated tabs is available, and after that, tabs will be replaced by space white space.
Okay, the tab that wherever the tab space is allocated, it is replaced by the normal space.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
What here, sir? What is the research function we used to do?
Okay, research function for basically you want to search your specific words or specific character. So you can use a re.search function. Different another option is available in the re.search function. So re.search and re.findall is a re.findall matches all the cases, while re.search is match only specific case,
So
specific
what the
pattern.
read find it will highlight all the content. What are the
Yes.
specific? What about the read out search thing? What's the difference between find and search? It will. Hello.
Re.findall function match all the contents,
Okay.
all the value
Pattern
basically.
in the content. Okay. What about the read out search?
Yeah. Sorry.
No, that is read out find. It is used to highlight what or where the highlight all the content in the entire text. That is input.
Okay, just wait. I show you how to. That's the good idea. Otherwise, it will.
Collab.
Collab. Another thing I can show you in lab session if it is not delay, because I have to.
Okay.
Uh, Is it okay, Riteshji, if we?
Because
Mm,
this thing it won't waste your time also.
yes.
Yes, sir, it is okay. You can show
Okay.
in the lab session.
Yeah, great. So, and another question, I guess if my time is over, I think. If we want to take some more questions or any doubts.
Sir, the assignments you were saying, will you give them
Hmm.
in the lab session?
Yeah, I will put in the folder your assignment.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. And lab session will start, Sham, when lab session will start 3 p.m. or
At 3, yes,
before
sir.
3? 3. Okay,
At
great.
3.
Hmm. Okay. So thank you. If you don't have any questions.
Hmm? Sir,
Huh?
can I use the slash t here, like in last slide, like the x is equal to re dot search
Mm-hmm.
instead of Europe? Can I
Mm-hmm.
use slash t
Yes, you
to
can use /t.
and if I want to replace that slash t with Europe, then is there any option
Sorry, can you repeat your question again?
like slash t I want to replace with Europe?
Yes, you can replace, but if you use /t, so basically you have to provide other methods x dot position and index. What type of methods you want to extract. So that's the reason I am not discussing here, because it's very difficult
Yeah,
without
No,
explain without.
excuse me, slash this option is basically for the tag corpus or not?
Tagged corpus.
Hmm. Slash t. You were giving some example like by putting slash t, we can keep auxiliary or particle noun, etc. We can also.
Okay, I guess everyone is confused. Uh, Please go on 5 and 6 slides if you have my PPT. In the fifth slides and sixth slides and seventh. So here I have already mentioned /t denotes for the tab separation. So don't confuse my annotated and unannotated data. This is the patterns. Okay. Is it clear or not?
So it has nothing to do with any annotation. It's just like it can be used in any form of data that is
You
provided,
can use
I guess.
/t in regex. And even you can use without, if I'm not wrong, without regex, you can also use Python. Yeah, you can also use /t. Basically, /t is a tab separated. It doesn't matter what is the annotated or
Okay,
unannotated.
okay,
It's
okay,
a
okay. Got it, got it.
No, no, it's not only. Yeah, it's not only about tab slash t. It's about all the characters that is being used here. I mean, the if
yes.
you see in the fifth slide and the sixth slide, both they apply to everything. It's not about only that only one type of data is applicable. It's not specific to only one type of data, I guess. Right?
Never. And okay, I want to clarify here everything. In the 5, 6, or 7th, we all the symbols you can use, doesn't matter if it's a data are annotated or not, unannotated, or any type of data you can use anywhere. These symbols is with regular expression patterns. Okay.
Can you just once explain explain here this what's non-greedy. I'm not still not clear actually. This one repeats the character one or more times. Non-greedy.
Non-greedy is a only few
Hello.
repetition. Like if you want to extract 0 to 9, if I put here dot only. So basically, it will match 0 to 9 and 1 or 2 characters, digit character. But if you, so, sorry, greedy. Greedy is matching. No, repetitive. Yeah, non-greedy is only matching in the few match words, 0 to 9 and some one digit or digit only. But if you use greedy plus other option like question and mark and start like something like that then it will automatically, it's a greedy, basically repetitive function, repetitively work more matches.
Okay. 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 Yeah.
I think also one of the best ways of getting hold of this is to try it out. Try out. So you take a long text, read it from the file, or just like that, or and try out these all these different stuffs. Try plus, try question mark, try star with question mark, try plus with question mark. And see how much of that text is getting mashed. That will help you in getting a hang of things. So when we say that it repeatedly matches, which means that uh, it goes on until it doesn't get a match. When we say that it matches only once, as soon as, so basically greedy will get you the longest possible match and non-greedy will get you the shortest possible match. But you try it out, all of those different things, and it will uh, reveal itself, as they say. Yeah.
And if you want to really learn a regular expression, you have to do some more you have to do practice. Otherwise, we will never learn uh, a regular expression. And I don't think any teacher can teach regular expression theoretically. So, okay. And so I, if we have other question, if you want to ask, if you have any query, you can ask again. Otherwise, we will meet in lab session at 3 p.m. Okay, so great. And thank you so much for giving your attention and valuable question. So right now, Ritesh, we have a lunch break or
Yeah,
we
so
can?
we will end this session. It's lunch break for basic track, and
Okay.
we will start the intermediate track at 12:30. Some of you are joining that, then they will join in the intermediate, but this session is done and over with. And if there are no more questions, then we'll end this session. Thank you, Atul, and thank you everyone for coming.
Thank you. Thank you,
We'll see you
Ritesh.
in the lab session. Bye.
Okay. Bye.